Our neighborhood is waking up. Waiting for our taxi. Where will it be?
Did you like El Fuerte, the town?
I did. It was good food.
Yeah.
It was good food.
It's just a little town.
A little town, and it was a nice town to walk around in.
And why were we at El Fuerte?
That was the beginning. That was where we got on the train, El Chepe train.
Yeah, we had to get on the El Chepe train, Joan's bucket list train. Next morning.
The beginning.
35-year-old bucket list.
Yeah.
No kidding. Yes.
So we had to we called a taxi, or did the lady call a taxi?
She called it.
She called it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then she gave us coffee and bread.
Yep, while we waited. So.
Grab me mine.
She showed us all the pictures of the family.
Of the whole familia. So. We had the taxi driver take us to which section of the train?
Second class.
The second class. The front is
First class.
We didn't want the first class. We wanted the real local experience.
And the local people came on.
Right.
Selling
Empanadas,
Yep.
empanadas, fruit.
It had 37 bridges and 86 tunnels, but
How long did it take?
about 8 hours. From
Was it 8 hours?
8:30 to about 4 o'clock.
Oh.
Well,
I
that's what
suppose
the stop in Divisadero.
Oh yeah, we stopped in Divisadero, and then they sell their baskets and different things. And well, that's where I bought my little bracelet too, from that little boy.
He was
Yeah.
so sweet.
Yeah, no smiles out of him, but he knew how to work it.
Yep.
Okay. Gracias.
He got a crowd around him.
Yeah, I got a crowd around.
Just those eyes.
And then you can go overlook the
canyon.
the panoramic view. And it was pretty. It was a pretty outlook.
The Copper Canyon viewing area was crowded as everyone from the train jockeyed for position to take their photos. The Tarahumara, or Raramuri as they call themselves, are a group of indigenous people of the Americas living in the state of Chihuahua. The Divisadero train stop is filled with vending stalls as they sell their local crafts and wares.
And then the train went to
Creel.
Creel. That was a cute town.
That's where we stayed for 3
3
days.
days.
3 days, yeah.
We arrive at Hotel Estacion, only to find that Joan must be of VIP status. She has her very own sign. This is the way we wash the clothes, wash the clothes, wash the clothes. This is the way we wash the clothes so early Wednesday morning, September 11th. Here's more. Oops, that's just junk. And good old coat hangers. And
They're very nice.
I wish we would have found that balcony
Yeah.
the first day rather than the third day.
Before we're waving our underwear around trying to dry them.
Down in the courtyard.
And then they offered us the balcony to dry our clothes, and it's like, man, this is the best happy hour spot ever.
Yeah.
You can beak over the whole town area
Yeah, over
from that balcony. So that was nice. That was a nice place.
we are doing laundry on our balcony. Not our balcony, it's the upstairs people's balcony, but they let us use it. The public bathroom is right next door to our hotel, and the man in the yellow shirt is ready to collect the pesos. So that called for us to go down to the grocery store and buy 3 beers. 60 pesos for all of them. What's that in dollars?
20 pesos, $1 a
$1 a piece. Ooh.
piece. Getting carried away.
You know, it's a special day. So here's to Wednesday laundry day. Buenos días. The Arts and Crafts Museum in Creel is well worth the visit. You'll find it close to the train tracks. We needed to adjust to the toilet paper rule while traveling in Mexico. We've been seeing these dogs all afternoon. At dusk, street musicians literally take to the streets as they solicit donations.
dímelo,